Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to use the Fliki AI and we will also do the simple review of it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can open the Fliki, and here I'm using my laptop and also Google Chrome to access it, and you can simply type the Fliki here, and this is the suggestion. You can click it and it will direct you into the introduction web, and you can click the start for free, then it will direct you into this field. And as you can see that this Fliki will help you to create the video, audio and design. As you can see for the video itself, it will help you to create the video from the prompt or from the script or from the URL, PowerPoint file, and you can also edit it, and it will help you to transform or convert your recording into the video, and also you can create it from scratch. And also for the audio itself, it will help you to create the audio from this prompt or the idea, and also from the script, from the blog, and also you can create it from scratch. And also it will help you to create the design for the thumbnail, the social media, so it will be interesting, and also help you to create the presentation design, and also help you to create the design from scratch. And for the files, it will save the several things that you have already generated before, and also give you the templates, voices. It's like it will help you to create the clone of your voice just like you over here, and also the brand kit, theme, and automation. And also don't forget to do the login first, because it will give you the credits over here. For example, there are 64 credits, the percents that I have used before, and it will be reset on September 6th, because it also usually depend on the date that you do the registration first. And we will go back to the Fliki. For example, if we would like to create the video, then you can click this idea of prompt if you would like to create it from the word of the prompt. And for example, I have prepared it for you guys. For example, the video I made before is about the social sciences graduates and also the artificial intelligence. And you can ask this AI to enhance the prompt over here. So it has been enhanced, and the duration most likely about the 30 seconds. And also you can put the additional resources such as the PDF, text or picture, then you can, but if you don't have that, you can just skip it. And also this is the second step, is about the template, and you can just kindly wait for this process. And for this section, it will need you to choose the aspect ratio. It depends on the portal or the platform that you would like to post this video. You can choose this 9 and 16 if you would like to create the reels, or you can create it to become square. And also if you would like to share it into your YouTube, then you can click this landscape, and you can choose the suggested template over here, and after that you can just keep it. And you can choose the language here, and also the tone. For example, I would like to choose to become more informative and exciting, and the purpose is to become education and also, for example, the promotion. And also the audience, I will choose this, for example, the students and also the researchers. And you can choose the writing style and also the sample script. For example, if you have it, it will be better to put it down here. Then you can click next. Then it will step by step to generate about what the detail of your video. And you can wait until the generation is done over here, and after that you can click next. And after that it will give you the field to choose the customization. And since I haven't purchased the upgraded version, then the AI avatar will not be activated, and also the brand kit, but this AI media will need you the chance to do the or choose the look. For example, if you would like to create it or being shown in the comic book, then you can click it. But if you just need it to become cinematic, then you can choose this default, and you can choose the voiceover. So as you can see, the thunder is here is just for the upgrade version. And after that you can just click submit, and after that the video will be shown into this file section. For example, this is the video that we had.
Social science graduates need key skills for AI. First, data literacy is crucial. Develop critical thinking and ethical reasoning for AI applications. Strong research and analytical abilities are vital. Effective communication and interdisciplinary collaboration are also essential. Finally, leverage your domain expertise in sociology or psychology to shape responsible AI.
So this is the video that has been generated, and you can do the small editing, for example, about the ambient field over here or the music that bring out this video. And you can choose the music that has been provided here, and also you can see the scene 1 over here. Then if you would like to create or edit something, then you can just do the editing over here. And after that you can do the editing too over here in the scene 2. And after that, if you would like to download it, then you can click it, but it will need you to do the purchase into the pro version, for example the standard or premium, something like that. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this AI because it is very interesting and will help you to create something or masterpiece. So if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.